Hi Stampers, it's Meg from LovenStamps, and today I wanted to take a minute to talk about one of the projects that starts the January through June mini catalog and finishes the January through June mini catalog. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, it is the You Are Amazing project kit. Here is one of the cards from this fabulous kit, and check it out, all like pretty stamps, good for well, you are amazing. Basically telling people they're amazing. It features the stamp set, which has 3 cheers, happy birthday, congrats, thanks, lots of good all occasion kinds of things. And the best part about this kit is that it comes in a cute box with all of the pieces ready for you to use. So let's take a look at this, and then I'll tell you why it starts and why it ends the mini catalog, and why now is a great time to be thinking about this one. Okay, so looking at this box here, there are, first of all, directions included. So if you want some little bit more detail and pointing to where all the pieces go and so forth, they're here for each of those cards. The pieces come packed like this, which are deceptively small, but they make 16 cards. So there's ribbon, there are 16 card bases here of the different patterns. Oh, there's some tags mixed in. I think these are, there we go, patterned on the other side. So they're foiled cards, there are patterned cards. They're really nice, and the weight of them is nice and heavy. There are envelopes to go with these, and check this out. The envelopes, I'll get to that in a second. The envelopes are, have all of the inserts in them, just like this. So it's printed on there, it's not a separate piece, but it means that there's a fun surprise whenever you mail these and people open their cards. Okay, what else is in this packet? Also, oh, these are the card fronts to go with the plain card bases. So there are some fun fronts there. There are ribbons, there are, oh, check out the shine on these. Some foiled layer pieces for some of the cards. There are some gold foiled pieces here for different layers. There are gold foiled pieces here on the white layers, and there are gold foil strips here, as well as some extra layering pieces and some more vellum elements. So this is a really robust kit with lots of cool things that makes just outstanding cards. So this one was my friend Mary Ellen Stites, who's a fabulous demonstrator, sent this to me for my birthday, and she was right. I was so happy to have a sample from this kit. And then of course, little ribbon accents for these. So why are these such a great thing to start the catalog and end right now? Well, first of all, the start of the catalog shows that there are very simple things that you need to make these. The kit comes like this with all of the consumable parts, and then separate is the stamp set, and then you would want to have the inks if you want to make them exactly like this with the matching colors and so forth. But then why does this end the catalog? It ends the catalog because at the end we have this fabulous example of one way to use this kit. So if you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, or you're thinking about becoming one, you know that SALE-a-bration is the time to be doing that. So best time of the year during the month of January and February this year, there is a bonus. When you sign up to be a demonstrator by ordering the Demonstrator Starter Kit, you get five packages of Designer Series paper. So here they are. They will be in the catalog for next year, so you'll have tons of paper to get yourself started. But they are, this is the Brights family, all these fun papers. So you get 1, you get 2, this is the Regals, you get 3, this is the in colors, you get 4, this is the neutrals, and 5. So that's the subtles. So that is like a stack of Designer Series paper, 5 packages. Normally they'd be like $11.50 each. So, I mean, we're talking, you know, $55, $60 worth of paper for free with your starter kit. The starter kit is $99 and includes $125 of whatever you want. So if you just want to order the starter kit and purchase for yourself at a discount, that's totally fine. You can get anything from the catalog in your starter kit. If you are interested in like stamping with friends occasionally, then this kit is really special because it makes 4 of each card. So you could have friends over and you could all make a card and everybody could have a good time. And you know what? There's no prep for you. There's no worrying about designing projects, all of these things. And then of course, if people love those cards, then they can order their own kit to make again on their own. So really, this is a fabulous way to get started as a new demonstrator. So one of the perks of being part of my LovenStamps demonstrator family is that we have like lessons and so forth all the time on how to run your stamping, how to stamp with friends, how to get ideas. And as having been a demonstrator for 18 years now, I can tell you that I have a lot of expertise that I'm happy to share with you. So anyway, if you're totally not interested in being a demonstrator, this kit is still amazing. You can still stamp with friends. You could be a hostess. You could host your own party. There are all kinds of perks for ordering during celebration. If you just have lots of things that you love, you can get any of these items for free with each $50 that you order, or the strawberries that I'm featuring this month. You can get the berry Blessings and Berry Delightful Designer Series paper as a larger bonus for 2 of your items. And if you do host a party that is over $300, then you get a bonus stamp set there. So again, celebration kicks off on January 5th. So you're going to want to work on your shopping list for that. If you don't have copies of these catalogs in the mail from me yet, and you don't have a demonstrator you work with, please let me know. I'd be happy to get them to you. And they will also be available online on my website at LovenStamps for download beginning on January 5th. So anyway, yeah, so that is the very fun, very bright, very happy. I love bright colors at this time of year. Very happy You Are Amazing project kit. So if you have any questions about this or about placing orders or anything like that, about celebration, about demonstrator, perks of being a demonstrator, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. So thanks guys for watching. Happy stamping. Have a great day.